Let's put this process to work here, this algorithm to compute the vector line integral. So take a look here. So evaluate the vector line integral along C of f dot dr for this vector field f and this curve C. And look, we've already have been given a parameterization, so we don't have to find a parameterization ourselves. So step one is that we have to write out f of r of t. We need to substitute in. So f of r of t. Okay, z is t squared, and y is e to the t, and x is t plus 1. So this is f of r t. E to the t quantity squared is e to the 2t. Okay, so step one is done. Step two is that we need dr dt. We need r prime of t, the velocity vector for our parameterization. So the derivative of t plus 1 is 1. Derivative of e to the t is, of course, e to the t. The derivative of t squared is 2t. So, okay, now we've got r prime of t. And so now we have to evaluate the line integral by doing, so the integrand is f of r of t dot product r prime of t. So it's this dot product this, so it's this times this, t squared times 1 plus e to the 2t times e to the t plus t plus 1 times 2t. So t squared plus, that's e to the 3t, plus 2t squared plus 2t. So e to the 3t plus 3t squared plus 2, plus, oops, not t squared, 2t. And so now what we have to do is integrate this expression right here between a and b, which are 0 and 2. So the integral over c of f dot dr is equal to the integral from 0 to 2. T runs from 0 to 2 of e to the 3t plus 3t squared plus 2t dt. Antiderivative of this will be 1/3 e to the 3t plus t cubed plus t squared. Plug in t runs from 0 to 2. And so we get 1/3 e to the 6 plus 8 plus 4 minus 1/3 e to the 0 plus 0 plus 0. So 1/3 e to the 6 plus 8 plus 4 is 12. That will be 12 minus 1/3. So I guess 11 and 2/3 there. So this is our first example of how we follow this process here of evaluating these line integrals. This is a very important skill that you need to do. We're going to be evaluating line integrals basically the rest of the way in this chapter, chapter 16, which is taking us to the end of the course. So practicing this skill is something you really should be doing. Have you practice? Here's a pre-class problem for you to do. So evaluate the vector line integral f dot dr, where f is 3z over y, 4x, comma, negative y. R of t is e to the t, e to the tt. T runs from -1 to 1.